Here I have OPPO Find X5 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to change photo resolution or photo size in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera and basically, like in camera on this device, you have only two resolutions. Like you have normal resolution, like you open camera, switch to the photo mode and you're in the normal resolution, but you can also enable 64 megapixels for like ultra high resolution for very beautiful photos. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.